Hello, my name is Simon and welcome to South Coast Studio here in the southeast of England. Firstly, I would like to say a big thank you to all my subscribers on the YouTube site. It means a great deal to me and I really appreciate all your enthusiasm and your comments. It really does encourage me to keep going on with all the courses and all the videos that I'm making. Some of you may have noticed that I've rebranded the YouTube site from Snobs Interiors to South Coast Studio. The reason for doing this is to bring all of the content, the online courses and the studio based workshops and all the craft and design projects under one roof of South Coast Studio. I would also like to thank everyone on my Facebook page, Instagram and other social media sites for their support and positive feedback on all the courses and also on the redesigned website. Following feedback and requests from the online community, I will now be issuing digital craft certificates of achievement on completion of both the online and the studio-based workshops. These will be personalised and they'll be available to download from the website once you have successfully completed the course. I am planning to run more of the studio-based workshops here in the south of England in my studio. If you are interested in joining any of these workshops, then please visit the website www.southcoaststudio.co.uk. There you can go to the studio workshops page and you can register your interest and we can contact you as soon as the course dates are available. I will be holding shortly an open Zoom Q&A session that will be on Friday the 13th of November around 6:30 UK time, PM UK time. Everyone is welcome. If you have any suggestions or any questions about any of the courses or the workshops, no matter how small, or if you're still unsure about any information that you've had, and you'd like to hear more, then please send me an email at this address and you'll be forwarded some details on how to join the Zoom conversation. Now, I just wanted to quickly talk about this cabinet. It will be featuring in the next online professional hand painted furniture course, which should be up shortly. I purchased this at a local second-hand shop, but before I can start painting it, I will need to determine exactly what's being used on the surface of this veneered wood. Now, I'll just show you a little bit more of this cabinet, just to give you an idea of what's involved. I'll just attempt to pan down. So, as you can see, I've taken the legs off. There is a small crack on the glass, which the glass will need to be replaced, and there is damage to the veneer, so that will need to be repaired. I will be taking you through that process on the course, and as you can see, the inside of the cabinet will need to be cleaned up. I've taken all the glass shelves out, but you'll need to I will need to clean the back of the cabinet, all the sticky pads and so on, and that will need to be painted. Now I intend to to give this, to prepare this, and to give it a professional repaint. So the surface preparation is really important. I don't want any of the paint to be chipping off, or there to be any problems in the future. Now I have to find out really what's been put on here. It's probably had a French polish initially over the veneer. It could have had wax paste applied to it. It could have had oil. It could have had furniture polish. Depending on what's been put on here, that will dictate the type of primer that I will use to underneath the paint finish. So this process I will be showing you in detail in the next Paint Your Furniture course, online course. So please look out for that. So many thanks for watching this short video. I look forward to welcoming more of you to my website and to the online courses and the studio courses. Hopefully we can work together to enhance your skills and create some stunning projects for you. Don't forget the online Zoom Q&A session on Friday the 13th of November. That should be around 6:30 p.m. UK time. If you are interested, please send me an email and I can get back to you with all the details. Okay, many thanks. Bye bye then.